Similar, 8.2, reteaching questions. Yeah, you heard that bell. Vertical asymptote. Did I move left or right? I sure did. X equals to 3. Remember, it's always opposite. Horizontal asymptote. Did I move up or down? Did not. So y is 0. Right away, I'm going to put no solution here. Because if I get 0 for this one, that means I won't have an x-intercept because y cannot be 0. Because remember, x-intercept means y is equal to 0. Y-intercept, if I plug 0 in for x, that's what y-intercept means. That x is equal to 0. It's always opposite. 0 minus 3 is equal to negative 3, so I have 2 over negative 3, or that's the same thing as negative 2/3. So I'm going to plot this stuff. X is 3 is right here. Make sure that I have the first dotted line. Y is 0. You still have to plot that dotted line or else it's not correct. 0, negative 2/3 is someplace down here. And if you do your table 3 should be in the middle because it's always based on this x value. You should get an error. If you don't, you typed in your equation incorrectly. So here, my table, plot my points. Positive 1, so I move right 1, down 1, negative 1. Positive 2, down 2. 3, I have an error. 4, positive 2. 5, 1. Number should be a curve at your asymptotes, and it should be getting close to your asymptotes. Just like that. Bing, bada, boom. Next. Your thinking process is the exact same for all these problems. Did I move left or right? Yes, I moved to left too. It's always opposite. X is always opposite. Did I move up or down? Yes, I moved down 4. Y-intercept, plug 0 in for x. X-intercept, plug 0 in for y. So if I plug 0 in for x, I get 3 over 0 plus 2 minus 4. That's equal to y. Whoa, what just happened there? Y. Now, because it's already equal to y, you could put this straight into your calculator. Make sure to put this in parentheses, and you would get your answer out. So my y-intercept would be negative 2.5. X-intercept, plug 0 in for y. Now, for this one, I don't have my unknown all by itself already, like the first one. So I have to get the x all by itself. So first thing I want to do is add my 4 over. Is equal to 3x plus 2. You want to get rid of this divide by x plus 2, so you're going to have 4 times x plus 2. You want to get rid of that whole division. Now, I personally like to distribute this in first, and then subtract my 8, and divide by 4. Negative 5/4. Find my table. When I find my table, my x value goes in the middle, so I pick 2 on the left, 2 on the right to plug into my table. So let's start drawing stuff. X, vertical asymptote at negative 2. Y, horizontal asymptote at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And plot your points. You have 2 intercepts. You should make sure to plot those. So 0, negative 2.5. It's about right there. Negative 5/4, so that's the left one just a little bit more, so about right here. And then I have negative 4, negative 5.5, 4, 5.5, negative 3, negative 7, so this arc should be someplace over here. Negative 1, negative 1, and 0, negative 2.5, which we actually already had because that's an intercept. Graph looks something like that. Did I move left or right? Yep, I moved to the right 5. Did I move up or down? I did not. So there's going to be no solution here. We plug 0 in for x. And you could plug this straight into your calculator, or else you can do it in your head. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Negative 1 divided by negative 5 is going to be a positive 1/5, 0. However, I wrote that wrong. Sorry. 0, positive 1/5. Table time. Middle number should be 5 because I moved to the right 5. So I have 4, 3 on the left, 6, 7 on the right. X is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dotted line right here. Y is equal to 0. Dotted line right here. My points. I have 0, 1/5. So that's about right here. It's not really on there, but it's hard to use this pen. 3.5. 4, 1. So this curve is going to be in this portion. Remember, they should be kitty corner. Let's check if it is. 6, -1. Oh, that's a good sign. Let's go down here. And last, but certainly not least, did I move left or right at all? Yes. No. Maybe so. But no. I did not move. Did I move up or down at all? Yes. I moved up 5. No solution here. Because of this guy right there. If I plug 0 in for y, subtract the 5 over first. Get rid of this division right here. So multiply by x, divide by -5, you get a positive 2/5. Positive 2/5, 0. Table time. Middle number should be 0, because I did not move left or right at all. Plot it all. X is 0, vertical, up and down. Make sure I can see that. So maybe go past the actual line. Horizontal at y equals 5. And right here is that guy. Beep, beep, beep. Plot your points. 2/5, 0. So to the right, 2/5, I don't know, someplace over here. -2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, 7. So this is going to be in this corner, which is good, because they should be at the corner of each other. 1, 3, 2, 4. There you go. Similar reteaching questions. Similar. Have a great, grand, wonderful time in your life.